The prime factorization of 1820 is, to do prime factorization, first we should frame it in this way. See, that is 1820. Okay, next. For this number, the last digit is 0, so we take 5 here. The first number is 1, 1 smaller than 5, so we take two numbers, that is 18. Whenever we take two numbers, compulsory we should put 0. But 0 at the starting does not count. So no need to write 0 at the start. So here we have 18, a number close to 18 in 5 table is 5 3s 15. 18 minus 15, 3. 3 carried forward making it 32. A number close to 32 in 5 table is 5 6 30. 32 minus 32, 2 carried forward making it 20. When do we get 20 in 5 table? 5 4s 20. Now for this number last digit is 4, which is even, so we take 2 here. The first number is 3. A number close to 3 in 2 table is 2 1s 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 carried forward making it 16. When do we get 16 in 2 table? 2 8s 16. The other number 4, when do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. Now for this number last digit 2 even, so we take 2 here. The first number is 1, 1 smaller than 2, so we take two numbers, that is 18. Whenever we take two numbers, compulsory we should put 0. But 0 at the starting does not count. So no need to write 0 at the start. So here we have 18. When do we get 18 in 2 table? 2 9s 18. The other number 2, when do we get 2 in 2 table? 2 1s 2. For this number last digit is 1, not even, so this number not divisible by 2. Next prime number 3. To check divisibility by 3, for that we should add the digits. That is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So this number also not divisible by 3. Next prime number 5. The last digit is neither 0 nor 5, so this number is not divisible by 5. Next prime number 7, let us check divisibility by 7. So that is 91 by 7. Here we have 9, a number close to 9 in 7 table is 7 1s 7. 9 minus 7, 2, 2 carried forward making it 21. When do we get 21 in 7 table? 7 3s 21. So yes, this number is divisible by 7. So we take 7 here. And here we get this number, that is 13. Now we have 13. 13 is a prime number, so we take 13 1s 13. We got 1 here. So the prime factorization of 1820 is the product of these numbers. Okay, product of these numbers, that is 5 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 13. So this is the prime factorization of 1820. This also called as product of prime numbers of 1820. Am I clear?